Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to transfer Shiba Inu from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Now it's easy to get this done. All you need to do is simply open up your Bitget application. So once you've opened up the Bitget exchange, make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not, use our link in the description of the video to register and verify and stand a chance to claim some good rewards. Now you're on the Bitget platform and you're looking to transfer your cryptocurrency, being the Shiba token, to your Trust Wallet. All you need to do is head to the assets menu at the bottom right, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding or margin wallet, depending on where your crypto is stored. Now the Shiba Inu token is on our wallet, so click on SHIB, and where we have the withdraw option, simply click on the withdraw icon. Once you've selected the withdraw, select on-chain withdrawal, and then you're asked to enter a network you wish to be sending the token on and the withdrawal address. All you need to do now is select the network, be it the BEP20 or the ERC20. As you can see, their gas fees are also shown. So once you've selected the network you wish to be moving your tokens out in, enter the withdrawal address. Now, to get your withdrawal address, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet application. With Trust Wallet opened up, all you need to do is simply click on the receive icon. When you select the receive, simply search for SHIB, and you'll be met with options such as the SHIB token on the Ethereum and the Shiba Inu on the BNB Smart Chain. So simply select any of these. I'll be going with the BNB Smart Chain SHIB. So click on this option, copy your wallet address, minimize and open up the Bitget exchange. Paste the address there. Once it's been pasted, enter the amount of SHIB tokens you wish to withdraw and simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you get to move your SHIB tokens from your Bitget exchange and into your Trust Wallet, and you can find it here after a simple reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.